This is for Year 11 Methods. It's the Chapter 1 2016 test. This is question number 11. The set of axes has the line from A to C graphed. Point B is the midpoint. Find the coordinates of point C. Well, point C, I know that the y coordinate is 0. The x coordinate, I can work it out that I go from 0 to 4, and if it's the midpoint, therefore I'm going to be across at 8. The other thing that I could do is if I say that the coordinate down here is C, then I know using the midpoint rule that I add the two x coordinates together, 0 plus C divided by 2 has to equal 4, because 4 is the midpoint, there it is there. And if I solve that for C, I get C equals 8. So that's okay, I'm comfortable with that. C equals 8. Find the exact distance from A to C. Well, I'm going to use the distance rule, which is the square root of x minus x2, which is 8, minus x1, which is 0, squared, plus y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is 6, squared. And when I press that, I get 10 units is the answer. State the gradient of the line A to C. Well, it goes down 6 and across 8. Minus 6 over 8 is negative 3/4. State the equation of the vertical line. The vertical line that goes through B, is one of those special lines, and everywhere along B, x equals 4, so the equation is x equals 4. And state the equation of the perpendicular to AC that passes through B. Perpendicular to AC. Therefore, I know that the gradient has to be 4/3, since the gradient of AC is minus 3/4. I turn it upside down and change the sign. So I know that the gradient is 3/4. So 3 over 4. And so it's going to be y minus y1. It goes through B. So y1 is 3. Y minus 3 equals m x minus x1, which is 4. So there we go. And I wanted it in the form y equals, so I just selected interactive, advanced, solve for y. Okay. And there's my answer, which is a different answer. It goes through B. Oh, it's 4/3, not 3/4, Craig. Don't be so silly. 4/3. Because that was just the bottom, come on, 4/3. That was 3/4, so this has to be 4/3. So if I press execute, there it is. Y equals 4x over 3 minus 7/3. If I want to get into this form, I then say multiply all sides by 3, and then I wish to maybe expand. Let's get rid of those brackets. So if I copy, delete, paste, oh, don't want any of that, do I? I take this bit just from inside and go copy and get rid of all of that, and I go paste and I expand, get rid of that bracket, then I minus both sides by 4x and I plus both sides by 7. Oh no, I want everything on the other side, so then I minus both sides from 7. And then I multiply everything by -1. That puts the 4x positive, so 4x minus 3y equals 7. There you go. And that's question number